everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. Today I am doing a what I eat in a day of a college student. So I was really nervous to put weight loss or anything like that in the title, so I think I decided to just go with get healthy with me, even though if you watch some of my videos towards the beginning of the year, you know one of my resolutions for myself is to lose a few pounds, tone up, gain muscle, and lose fat, pretty much is what it is. And so for me, that's my version of healthy, but everyone's version of healthy, I think, depends on their fitness goals. So whether you want to gain muscle, tone up, stay the same weight, gain weight, whatever that means for you, and what you talk to with your doctor and all of these things, that's up to you. So I'm not saying you have to eat like this to be healthy. You have to eat like this to lose weight. I'm currently just in the process. I watch like one of these videos a day, honestly, just from different fitness YouTubers, trying to learn as much as I can about health and wellness. And I've been pretty proud for the most part on a daily basis. My main meals, I try to keep pretty healthy and then have the occasional treat on the weekends or maybe like a little midday treat, you know, so not perfect at all. I don't eat this clean every day. Some days I eat cleaner than this maybe, but this is just a typical what I eat in a day. And then today to the end, because I'm actually going to be showing you some of my must-haves to keep in my dorm room, like pantry and fridge, that I can cook throughout the week. I may also show you a little bit of my meal prep for the week to kind of show you how I get ready for what I eat in the days. This will be what I eat in the day plus a little bit of like a grocery haul, staples, must-haves, and a little bit of meal prep. So hopefully after this video you feel pretty knowledgeable on what I'm putting into my body on a regular basis. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to give it a thumbs up, turn on my notifications so you get notified when I post more college content. Let's get into the video.
All right, breakfast is my favorite meal of the day, so I always try to make it special. My coffee could be a meal in itself. I put so much time towards it, but I love these reusable K cups that you can just get on Amazon. I have them linked below. And then I absolutely adore my Vital Proteins collagen creamer. My favorite one is the coconut. This one is the vanilla. I've been using them for over 2 years. I see such a difference in my skin. It gives me those healthy fats and protein in the morning. And so sometimes I'll do a full scoop, sometimes a half a scoop, but with the creamer, I don't do the whole serving, which is 2 scoops. And then I love my fancy Keurig because it has a built-in milk frother. And so for the past school year, for the past, couple months, I've been loving the Trader Joe's oat milk. I get the refrigerated kind. I froth it up and then pour it in. And guys, I may be becoming a barista coming up in a video soon. But my barista skills didn't work with this kind of frother. Anyway, that is my coffee, and I usually drink this either an hour or a couple hours before my actual breakfast. So this morning I was able to have breakfast in my dorm, but a lot of times I have to take it on the go and eat in between my morning classes, but this recipe can work as overnight oats as well. So I will have some oatmeal. I got these packets for free from a friend. They are the Kodak maple brown sugar ones. It's like protein and flavored oatmeal, super yummy. So I've been having that, and then I love fresh apples, so I will chop up some apple slices to add in there, save some later for a snack as well. My absolute favorite food at the moment is almond butter, just raw almond butter from Trader Joe's. So I will normally add a spoonful of that. Guys, I eat this raw just throughout the day. But I add in my apples, and then I also sprinkled some cinnamon on top. Sometimes I also like adding in frozen fruit, just really whatever I have on hand, but that is my breakfast. Throughout the day, I normally will have a second coffee. Sometimes it's in the morning while I'm on my way to class. Sometimes it's the afternoon when I'm studying, but this is just an almond milk latte that I had at a local coffee shop I was able to go to, and hint, hint, I did make it myself. All right, now we are at lunchtime. So when I'm not eating in my school's cafeteria, I like to make something that's quick and easy in my dorm, because normally I am about to hop on an interview or a phone call or just need to be doing work at my desk in the afternoon. And so I got these veggie burgers from Trader Joe's. They actually taste super good. And then I had some roasted broccoli and roasted sweet potatoes from my meal prep, which I will show you at the end. I love a good afternoon snack. I will either have a Lara bar, an RX bar, or today I had a banana and some trail mix. For dinner, I decided to have just a big salad. So I took my chicken that I meal prepped earlier in the week just with some onion salt. I love kale as my choice of greens. I just feel like it's the most filling and whole, and so I will massage the kale in with my dressing. This is the best dressing from Trader Joe's I have tried, the Thai spicy peanuts. And then I was super happy because today I had half an avocado left over, so I just added that in on top. Also on my salads, I love adding raw walnuts, especially if I don't have avocado, just to add some healthy fats. Sometimes you'll also see me adding in the broccoli or the sweet potato, kind of making myself a little Buddha bowl, if you will. If I'm wanting something extra filling, I'll add in a little bit of brown rice. But today I just went with something a little bit more simpler and light with just these 3-4 ingredients. And guys, I have the biggest sweet tooth, and so I always like to end my nights with a little dessert. It's like my coffee in the morning. It's just my little ritual I do every night, and I change it up a lot. So today I just had some frozen cherries, mango, and some fresh blueberries. Put those in a cup with some coconut yogurt. I also love Greek yogurt, but this week I've been trying out some milk substitutes, so I went for this coconut yogurt. And then this, guys, is a really cool product. It is a chocolate date spread, and the founder of this company won a date, just graduated college. She lives in New York, and I found out about her company and her through Shark Tank. I was watching Shark Tank one night, heard her pitch, loved it. I got it. It is super sweet and delicious, and actually does not have a ton of calories and fat and sugar that you would think because of how sweet it is. It just uses natural dates. But I kind of just make whatever I have in my fridge and eat it normally while I watch an episode of Netflix. Can you guess the show? Comment below. Sometimes I'll also have some peppermint tea with that. A few of my other nighttime snacks will just be like almond butter and yogurt, Halo Top ice cream, or like a cookie dough Quest bar heated up in the microwave. So always love ending my night with a little nightcap of a sweet treat. Alright, so here is a look at my Sunday meal prep. I still have 3 more chicken tenders in here, just letting them cook a little bit longer than these other ones because they're thicker. But as you can see, I did the Trader Joe's chicken tenders. I just added onion, salt, and this chili seasoning to them, and just for a little bit of a flavor. But normally when I add them with other items, I add other seasoning or sauces. Then I did some thin sliced sweet potatoes just with salt and cinnamon and olive oil. So I only had like 3 or 4 tiny sweet potatoes left from last week, so not a ton, but it got me like 2 servings or so, which is nice. I did 2 bags of Trader Joe's broccoli. It gave me 2 of these containers and then a little bit extra that I snacked on. No, probably another cup that I snacked on while cooking the rest. And then just for one meal tomorrow for breakfast, I made overnight oats. Put it in this acai bowl that I rinsed out and reused. I thought it was the perfect size. So just put in the same Kodak maple brown sugar oatmeal with some almond milk, a little bit of extra oats just because I feel like last time I wanted a little bit more, so I put in some plain oats too, blueberries, cinnamon, and walnuts. Instead of walnuts or whole nuts, you can also add a nut butter. That makes it really nice. And if you're not using a flavored oatmeal, I also recommend maybe a little drizzle of honey or more fruit, like a banana or something, a little bit of a sweeter fruit. But yeah, that's my meal prep for the week. I got more foods at the grocery store that I want to meal prep, like Brussels sprouts and tilapia, but I think this will definitely hold me over for the first few days. And then maybe halfway through the week, I can cook those. But yeah, definitely these will probably make 2 or 3 meals. I add the chicken on top of salad. I'll do broccoli with rice instead of like sweet potato as the starch. Just mix it up. So that is my Sunday night meal prep, and I also made a TikTok about it. So if you want to know, watch me make it, I'll have the TikTok linked below. Yep, sure did that. Alright, so now I quickly wanted to just show you guys some of my pantry and fridge and freezer staples for being in my dorm room. So besides regular produce like kale, bananas, apples, lemons, maybe some avocado, berries, oh, blueberries, I've been eating so many blueberries. Besides all that produce, these are things mainly from Trader Joe's, but some of them you can get at any grocery store, that I usually pick up every week
whenever I'm out, and they just are healthy snacks or help me make healthy meals for myself while here in my room. So let's get started with the meal stuff first. This in my what I eat in a day, but I love the kale gnocchi from Trader Joe's. The cauliflower one's really popular, but I actually like this new kale version a little bit more, and I just make it in the microwave, but I've heard actually it's even better in the air fryer, so I may be trying that out for dinner. There's 2.5 cups per bag, so this bag will last me multiple meals. Usually I just get one every 2 weeks or so. Great with just some marinara sauce, or you can add veggies, chicken, everything. What I like adding to that, actually, if you don't want to cook chicken or anything like that in your dorm, the Trader Joe's pre-cooked chicken sausages are great. This is the sun-dried tomato flavor. I've also tried the, I think, spicy Italian or garlic Italian, and it was super good too. Really easy microwavable rice. I used these last year too. Trader Joe's in their freezer section just has bags of, well, it comes in like a box, but brown rice, jasmine rice, a rice medley, and it comes with 3 or 4 bags per box. And this is like 2 servings of rice pretty much. So great, easy, cheap option. For some snacks, this is my favorite nut medley, like trail mix. It's the Trader Joe's almonds, cranberries, and cashews Trek mix. That's all that's in here is raw cashews, almonds, and cranberries, but it's like the perfect amount of nuts to sweetness. I love it. Almond butter is my favorite food from the last few months. Like, I just eat it straight out of the jar, which isn't that good for you, but it's so good. I don't even have to explain. Like, I put this on everything. The other day, I literally told my friend Lucy and I were talking about making salmon, and I was like, I like walnuts on salmon, like roasted walnuts. I was like, what if you put almond butter on salmon? And she was like, what the heck, that sounds like the most disgusting thing. And I was like, honestly, it does not sound too awful to me. Okay, I just love almond butter. For a dessert, my go-to recently has been Halo Top. It's been a little bit of a splurge because they're a bit more expensive. You have to get them at not Trader Joe's, like Whole Foods or Kroger. But the light ice cream, I've had the peanut butter and jelly one. This one, so good. The peaches and cream light ice cream, phenomenal. So good and fluffy. I just got introduced to Go Macro bars. It's a mother-daughter company. Super cool. They have a great mission behind them. I've heard this one is phenomenal, the sunflower butter and chocolate one. But yeah, these are a couple dollars each, so I just get a couple to try to last me a few weeks. But I also love Lara bars and RX bars too, and I like those because I can buy them on campus with my meal points. These crackers, guys, my favorite crackers ever. The beet ones and the sweet potato ones. The other ones look just like this, but they're sweet potato. But it's the 3-seed beet crackers from Trader Joe's. I find with like a lot of crackers, you can't eat that many, you know, like chips or pita chips, a serving's maybe like 7 of them. But with this, you get 17 crackers in a serving. And what I love to eat them with is, of course, hummus. Just, I like plain garlic hummus. Or if you are eating dairy, the Laughing Cow spreadable cheeses. These are super great. Have like a little cheese and crackers combo, and it is delicious. This is empty because I just finished this right before filming. And then lastly, we have my favorite condiments and sauces that I always keep on hand for cooking. Of course, everything but the bagel. Everyone talks about this. I don't make avocado toast that often, but I actually like this on dinner, like chicken and broccoli and sweet potato. And actually, if you're wanting to change things up with your seasoning, you just add it straight on top, and it's a really nice sesame seasoning. This onion salt is what my go-to is for just seasoning chicken or fish, just something really easy. Just, you want a little bit of flavor, but mainly salt. And then of course, I always have cinnamon, put this on my coffee, yogurt, everything pretty much. And then lastly is coconut aminos. This is amazing to just, if you have chicken or fish with rice and some broccoli or a veggie, add this on top, and it tastes like you went into all this trouble to make this amazing like teriyaki coconut dish. And it's literally just this sauce, and it's healthy for you as well. So it's just coconut sap, water, and sea salt. So all right, so that was it for this what I eat in a day, along with my grocery staples. I've been thinking of maybe putting together like a printable downloadable grocery list, or college meal ebook kind of thing. I think that could be fun. So let me know if that's something you guys would want for me to do, if what you find you struggle with when eating in your dorm or eating healthy in college. I want to know because I'm right there with ya. If you guys want to follow along on like my weight loss and health journey, I'm probably gonna be posting some more videos about that very soon. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye. Peace out.